everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to withdraw from Bybit. That is, when you want to withdraw your token to another exchange or to somewhere, how do you withdraw from Bybit? I'm on my Bybit exchange already, so you click on Assets. Now, if the token you want to withdraw is on funding, that is the only time you can withdraw. But if it is on unified trading, you won't be able to withdraw it. So you are expected to transfer from unified trading to funding. How do you go about it? For instance, let's say I want to withdraw ton. I'll be making use of ton here as an example. Ton here is on unified trading. So I won't be able to withdraw it. The best thing I'm going to do is to click on transfer here. So once I click on transfer, then you can see from funding to unified trading, change it unified trading to funding. Then what are you going to do? Click on turn, then select and send it. So once you've transferred, you can return back, then come here, check on this funding. On the funding, check if the token you want to withdraw is there. So let's check. Okay, so it is here. Guys, I've transferred it to this place. Then what are you going to do? Click on withdraw now. So when you click on withdraw, check which token do you want to withdraw. If it is USDT, search for it if it's not showing up here. But for me, in this video, I'll be making use of ton as an example. So let's assume I want to withdraw ton. Okay, so once you click on withdraw, it will bring you to this page. Here we have on-chain at the top here, and we have internal transfer. Now listen, on-chain means you are transferring it to somebody who is not on Bybit exchange. Maybe the person is making use of Binance or any other exchange, whether be it centralized exchange like Tonkeeper, like my Ton wallet or any other one. So that's it. Or the person is using Binance, but as long as the person is not making use of Bybit, then you have to make use of on-chain. But if the person is making use of Bybit and the person wants to receive it to Bybit exchange, you have to make use of internal transfer. So in internal transfer, what they will request from you is your email address, either the person's email address or the person's phone number or the person's UID. So you can request for this information from this person. Once the person sends it to you, then you input it here. When you input it, for instance, this is my own email address. So once you input it, here, that is the email address. Once you input it, then you will come to this side. This is where you input the amount you are withdrawing. So let's assume I'm withdrawing 1 ton. I'll just put 1 there. Then once you click on that, you can come to this side and click withdraw. That is for internal transfer. But if you are making use of on-chain, of course, this is where you select the coin you are sending out. For instance, let's assume this is ton, this is Kati. These are the coins I have on my wallet. This is the tokens I have there. So if it is USDT, you can also search for USDT. This is it. So but for me, I don't have USDT. So now what you are going to do here is you have to request for the person's wallet address, the person you are sending it to. So you paste the wallet address here. So once you paste the wallet address here, ask the person the network of the wallet address. Click here, you will see various networks. Here we have Ethereum, we have TLC, Arbitrum, Solana, BSC and so on. So ask the person the network of the wallet address. Once the person have told you, then you select if it is Solana, if it is Ton network, this is Ton network, and so on. So now there are some of these coins that will require memo or tag or comment or remark, especially on Ton ecosystem. They will surely require for memo, or it is called either memo or tag. Is a particular number or some alphabet. So once you paste it here, this one will give the direction to the wallet the person is receiving it. If the person that wants, if the person you are sending it to, if it requires memo and you did not input the memo the person sent to you, definitely the person won't receive it and you will not be able to retrieve this coin back. That means it is lost. Okay, so now once you have done that, you are expected to input the amount you want to send. So once you have input the amount you want to send, then you can now click on your withdrawal. Alright, so now let me give you the example of that. I'm using Ton, so I've copied wallet address. I'm sending this to my Ton keeper, so I will not be needing comment or memo. But if you are sending it to an exchange that requires memo or comment, make sure you add it. Then you choose your network. I've chosen my network Ton. So now I'm sending everything that I have here. Then you click on withdraw. Once you click on withdraw, then click on confirm. You have to click on confirm. But if there is they might bring up a kind of instruction telling you to verify. They will send a message to your email address or possibly request for Google authentication number. So just copy those ones and then paste it, then click on confirm and withdraw. That's how it will go successfully. That's just how you can withdraw on Bybit exchange. So you can make use of this to withdraw any form of coin. But remember, before you can withdraw on Bybit, you should have set your withdrawal address. You would have set your phone password. You would have set withdrawal password and so on. That's just how to go about it. In the next video, I'll be dropping a video on how to set your withdrawal funds and your withdrawal password. Thank you.